Hi, I'm Mark Cleghorn. Welcome to the Photographer Academy, and today we're going to be kind of looking back at a shoot you're going to see of Zucco. I didn't realise that I didn't get a chance to do basically an introduction to the film when we did it. Zucco belongs to Honor, one of our graphics girls, and we created a lovely little kind of set to demonstrate a kind of a three-sided studio for dog photographers or those looking to actually introduce dog photography into their business or for a bit of fun and things really. In this first part, we're going to kick off with the old master. So it's really looking at the lighting techniques, as well as obviously the background and the props that we use in to generate those first series of the photographs of any shoot. As a rule, I always try and actually kind of nail anything first thing. So in other words, the kind of the main shot that I'm trying to get as far as what I believe the client will buy, what the client kind of will be attracted to most, is what I want to shoot first. So whatever that is for you, whatever is your style, then concentrate on that. The key thing is making sure that we've got a really beautiful big key light. Doesn't matter what size of dog it is, it needs a big light source. The bigger the dog, the bigger the light. But I'm sure that many of you will just have the one big softbox anyway. Once you've got that in place, then the next thing to really look at is separation. And you're going to see backlights being used with grids or with egg crates, and this is to enable the light to kind of bring texture and separation to the fur. So without delay, let's get into the part one of Zucco in the studio. I'm going to get you on the left-hand side, Honor, is that okay? Let's just try and do a quick shot. He's going to face towards you. Push him into the middle of the box for me if you can. So pick him up right into the middle of the box. There you go. Quick test. You might come towards me just a little bit. I'm just going to kind of check on screen. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's get going. Yes, so that's all of those lights. Can we get him back more for me, on? Back more. Right to the end. That's great, just there. Up high with the treat. Excellent. And again, then come close to get the profile shot. Do again. One more. Get him to sit when he's ready. It's gorgeous there. Keep it. And again. Pretty good, isn't it? It's beautiful, that. Okay, so let's try and go for a full length image. Stood up if you can fully. Oh, he sits. Brilliant. That's okay. Give him the treat and then I'll hide the rest. Get him to sit. Zucco. Zook. Good boy. Let's push him back just down a little bit more for me towards the back end of this, so you can come closer if you want. That's it. Push him down there. Brilliant. Zook. And get him to stand fully on all four. That's it. Stand if you can.
Come on, Zook.
This dog is a treat hound, isn't it? Very close again.
He won't stand.
There you go. Can it try and do the treat up very high for me? You going to come up for it? Try him.
Come on, stand. Zookie. He only knows to be good.
He's being good, isn't he? And get a little bit higher.
Hey, Zucco.
No more treats for a minute. Zucco! Good boy. Great. Nice shot. Okay, let's just show you what group one does. So this is just the main light. This is just the left-hand light, and this is just the right-hand light. So that's the key light, so you can see what each one is doing. So it's very subtle, yeah, within each of the images anyway. Let's just bring him back down that way a little bit more, and I'm just going to then do one more shot. If I can get stood up, it'd be great.
I don't know if I can get it. He just wants to be good. Here you go.
Okay, let me just remove that old master background a minute. Will it spook him at all when I fold this away, or is he okay? So I'll just bring that offset for a minute. Turn our light. Let's just get rid of that for a second. Just going to bring this light in behind him just a little bit more. That's great. Okay, that's good. Let's do it. So I'm at the full 105 on the lens, yeah? So I'm working on the 24 to 105. Nice. Come back a little bit. Let's get his head fully. Have one. Good dog. Shh. Yep. You heard Brandon then, do you see him? Those are cute, like it. Should we do the hand and the hand on the ear as well for it, just while we're here, is it? Let me just go up my ISO a minute. Fade. So, 400, F11, quick test.
So we just
Hang on.
Good. Sit.
He's so little, isn't he?
Yeah.
Try it.
Do you want to do the like finger?
Yeah, finger on the nose.
Right, sit. Sit. Go jump. Sit.
Try and get him to lean into it if you can.
Sit. What's this? He goes away. I get a bit of
Try again.
I get a smell out of it.
Higher with it. Higher. Higher.
Go on.
He's a cheat.
What's this? Jukes. Go. You won't. Come on. Sit.
Shall I have a treat a minute? Come on up there, Zoe. Top. Up there. You just do his ear when he's looking at me. Zucco, look.
Touch his ear.
Yeah, you know, kind of actually hold the ear kind of thing. Yeah, I think it's the left. No, go back up there. Go back up there. Up there. Come on, yeah.
Come on. Up. Right, sit. Sit. Zucco, sit.
Just almost like a pinch of your finger and
He's like, get off.
both hands.
Yeah, sit. Good boy. Right, sit.
Sit.
Zucco, sit.
Can you stand up and do it? So you can kind of reach across. Like that. Let me go backwards. I know. Oh, it was close. Go back up there, you cheat. Come back up there. Bring that end again. Look, look. Look where I go. Good boy. Can I have another one?
Right, sit.
Let's try again.
Sit.
Psst, 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 psst. No, go back up there. Up, up, up. Good dog. Where we got? Ready?
Right, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Good boy.
Good.
Sit, sit.
Come from that side for me. It's just so we can have less light on your hands. Just bring him up. Oh, he's got his treats. Cheat.
Come on.
Bring him back in the middle again if we can. Look, Zook. Zook, what have I got? What have I got?
Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Come on, Zucco, sit.
Zucco.
Sit. Come on, sit.
Yeah. There, wait, wait. Sit. Sit. Up there. Up. Up. Up.
Zucco, up.
Sit. Zucco, sit. Up. Up. Sit.
Boy.
Like that. And again for me.
Zucco, come on.
Go up. Up.
Up. Sit.
Just a touch of, if you just do your hand on his nose.
Zucco.
Nice. Touch his ear. That's cool. Great. I think we got a nose. Good boy.